This area is rich with different bird species and natural flowers. The white one is a blessing from above. You see how wonderful rain can transform things within a short time. Look at how beautiful those flowers are. They just germinated naturally. Nobody planted that. Look how beautiful it is. Look at that. The beauty of nature. Huh? Very therapeutic. If you're bored up, just walk around and Allah is going to show you things which are amazing, like what I'm seeing and hearing different bird species chirp as the sun is setting. Too beautiful. And that's the sunset. You can see that. Now if you come to the last field next to one of our beautiful school called the Jawa Primary School. This is wonderful.